Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring where you stand. Schedule a baseline eye exam and record your prescription and acuity. Once done, optimize your workspace lighting and screen distance so your eyes aren't straining, about 20 to 30 inches and slightly below eye level. Start daily habits immediately. Follow the 20-20-20 break, blink regularly to keep tears refreshed, and minimize glare with matte screens or filters. These first steps reduce stress and create the conditions for improvement as you add targeted exercises and nutrition. Now build the core routine. Implement brief visual training sessions twice daily, do focus shift drills, near to far switching, and deliberate saccades for 3 minutes each set. Make sure to combine that with nutrition targeting retinal health. Add omega-3s, lutein and zeaxanthin foods, and vitamin sources or appropriate supplements after consulting your clinician. Improve systemic factors too. Get consistent sleep, manage blood sugar, and avoid smoking because these affect circulation and eye tissue repair. To finish, set up a monitoring routine. Keep a vision log, recheck acuity monthly, and note headaches, double vision, or strain so you can adapt. Once you see trends, adjust the intensity of training, modify nutrition, or schedule follow-up with your optometrist to update prescriptions or investigate causes. Make sure to act fast if you experience sudden vision loss, new flashes, or severe pain. These are red flags. Seek urgent care. Otherwise, continue the plan and refine it based on measurable progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.